Hey everybody, it's Chris from Team Aquascape, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about the SL and the XT automatic dosing systems. First, let me start off by saying these are the workhorses that are going to keep our water features in tip-top shape. They're going to keep them looking great, but they're also going to maintain that pristine water chemistry that we're looking for in these living, breathing things that we're creating. The two different sizes are sized appropriately for small features and large features. The SL dosing system will treat up to 2,250 gallons, and its compact, sleek design really makes it easy to disguise. I love that about it. The last thing I want to do after creating a work of art in somebody's backyard is focus in on the man-made product. So I love how small and easily concealable this is. I think that it's one of those things that is necessary for any water feature. In fact, Aquascape will not construct a water feature without installing one of the dosing systems that you see in front of you today. We believe in it so much that that's why we do it. The XT, I love even more so for a variety of reasons. One is because we're starting to build bigger water features, and what this thing will do is this will allow us to treat water features up to 30,000 gallons. I also love that you can get low treatment notifications. So when that bottle reduces down to less than 10% of water treatment in the bottle, a notification will get pinged to your device, letting you know it's time to replace with a new bottle. I also love that you can adapt it and add on to it with one of these Smart Control add-on kits, and then that allows you to dispense 2 water treatments at once. I love that about it. So this is a little bit more customizable, allows you to facilitate a little bit more of your needs. But the great thing about both of them is that they both have all of the different water treatments in our line available in their respective sizes. So I wouldn't install a pond without one of these, and neither should you.
At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended. We've been creating and field testing water features since 1991 to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.